Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Lou from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw a long oval shape above his head, right there. And from the side of that, I'm gonna draw his head shape with a semi-circle shape on the left side right here, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now for his head, I'm gonna draw a line upwards on the left top corner, semicircle turn to the right with a curved line, and semicircle turn back downwards on the right side right here. Inside of the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line across from the left to the middle point, and arch a curved line across in the middle point right there, and a line across to the right. In the middle point inside of that, I'm gonna draw a V shape at that corner, curved line upwards and back inwards at the upper corner, curl it upwards in the middle, and mirror the whole thing on the right side. At the lower point inside of that, I'm gonna draw a line across, and above his head, I'm gonna draw an arch curved line in the middle point right there. Now for the ribbon below his head, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape on the right corner right there. On the right side of that rectangular shape at the upper corner, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line out and slightly upwards, semicircle turn downwards with a curved line, and I'm going to mirror the same diagonal curved line again at this lower point. In the middle point inside of that, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape at that corner. Mirror that whole thing on the right side right here. And above that bow tie, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and on the right side of that bow tie, I'm gonna extend that curved line outwards, semicircle turn downwards at the side. On the left side of that bow tie, I'm gonna extend that curved line outwards to the left, semicircle turn downwards at that corner. I'm gonna extend the line of his head downwards at the side right there. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape off center on the left side right here. And inside of that on the right corner, an oval shape right there. And inside of that oval shape from the right corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line to the middle point below, mirror that on the left side, and I'm gonna mirror the whole thing at this upper point. Fill the outer corner of that shape at the side with black color. I'm gonna copy the whole eye shape on the right side. Below his eyes, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and inside of that, in the middle point, an arch curved line across. I'm gonna fill in the upper portion of the mouth with black color. At the outer corner below the eye, I'm gonna draw a circular shape on both the left and right side. Now for his arm on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, outwards, and from the inner corner, a curved line downwards, semicircle turn at this lower point out, and turn it back upwards. At the inner corner of that, I'm gonna draw a circular line upwards, and turn it back outwards at this upper corner. A line across below that, to the inner point, semicircle turn along the edges of that circular line, turn it back outwards. A semicircle line downwards at the wrist, right there, turn it back outwards at this lower point. A diagonal line upwards and out at the lower point, and another one at the upper point. Semicircle line across at the wrist, right there, and another similar semicircle line again at the outer corner on the left. Extend it outwards at the outer point right there, semicircle turn upwards, and at the upper corner, and on the right side of that, a curved line upwards, turn it sideways to the right, and curved line back downwards. Below that, a curved line across, curved line downwards, and curved line across back to the left. Curved line upwards. I'm gonna copy the same shape of that finger at this lower point. And another one, a shorter one at this lower point. On the right side of the finger in the middle, I'm gonna draw a U shape across, turn it diagonally upwards at the inner corner, curved line across to the left. Another curved line across at this upper corner, semicircle line downwards on both sides. Above that, I'm gonna draw a circular shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap at the upper left corner of that circular shape right there, and at the gap I'm gonna draw the spoon with a curved line upwards on the left, turn it to the right at the upper point, turn it upwards diagonally, semicircle turn at the upper corner of that spoon, and mirror the same set of shape on the right corner right there. An arch curved line across at that point. On his arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards in the middle point right here. Below his arm on the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, semicircle turn inwards to the right, a line across to the right. On the right side of that, a curved line upwards, curved line across to the right there, turn it diagonally back downwards and sideways to the left. Below that, a diagonal line down and slightly to the left, and another one at the outer corner right there. At the ending point above, I'm gonna draw a line across right there, and another similar diagonal line at this lower point. Turn it diagonally down on both sides, turn it downwards at the inner corner and at the outer corner right there. Curved line across for the lower part of his foot, and inside of that shape I'm gonna draw an arch curved line right there. Along the leg, I'm gonna add a line across in the middle point right there, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the legs on the right side right here. An arch curved line on the right corner for the right leg right here, and a line across in the middle point of the leg. Now from his left shoulder, I'm gonna draw across a line to the bow tie in the middle right there, and along that line I'm gonna draw a line downwards at this corner, and another similar one on the right side. Below that, a circular shape right there, and another one inside of that. Below that, continue the line from the top downwards, turn it sideways to the left and to the back. And for the inner line, curve it to the left at the lower point. On the right side of the bow tie, I'm gonna continue the upper line across to the right, semicircle turn downwards on the right side, And at that corner, I'm gonna copy the same circular shape as the left side, and another one inside of that. Continue the line from the top downwards. Below that, semicircle turn sideways to the left. At the inner corner from the top, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, straight downwards to that circular shape. Continue that line downwards below that circular shape, semicircle turn to the left, right there. In the middle of the two strap, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape below the bow tie right here, and at the corners I'm gonna circle it out like that. And inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a long rectangular shape this upper corner. Now for his right arms, a diagonal curved line out at that corner, semicircle turn back inwards and down. For his hand, a semi-oval shape at that corner, right there. And at the upper point right here, semicircle turn to the left, turn it downwards. Copy that same shape again at this lower point for the other fingers. Curved line across at this side and curved line downwards at the side. At the knuckle, I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the upper point right there. And in the middle of every fingers, I'm gonna draw a line across right there. For his thumb, on the left side of that finger, a curved line to the right, turn it downwards, across back to the right. Surrounding the wrist, I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape right there. A curved line across to the left at this lower point. Curved line upwards to the side of his thumb, and curved line across right there. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.